Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Vechain. Before we get into the analysis, if we're looking across the markets, we're finally starting to see, especially over the last 24 hours, altcoins going back into that green, especially after having Bitcoin retrace a little bit. We are seeing markets finally move back into the green zone. So we're going to discuss what's happening next, what are the next price targets we could be looking at, and how the month of May is most likely going to be looking like for the entire market. So if you like these kind of videos, you guys know what to do. Come join the Crypto ZX army by subscribing, liking, and commenting. But now let's get right into it. If we're looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at 0.022 cents, up 1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 1.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, the market cap is currently sitting at $1.6 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $52.1 million. Now let's shift our focus on the price and see what's happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at the price of Vechain, currently sitting at 2.2 cents, and you guys can see we are now sitting at some massive levels of support for the price of Vechain. So if you guys are not aware as to why Vechain has seen a little bit of a retracement within its price, if we bring out the measuring tool for you guys, and we measure it, you guys can see Vechain did drop about 16%. So now it comes the question, why exactly has Vechain dropped about 16% over the last few days? The reason as to why that has happened is because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has seen a retracement. Bitcoin has been bouncing back and forth within the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level support, and right now we are seeing Bitcoin starting to being bought back up and starting to move towards the upside, which is causing altcoins to go back into the green. But nonetheless, you guys can see from April 19th we have seen Bitcoin drop about 10%, which is the reason as to why altcoins are lagging behind right now. And I've been telling you guys on a continuous basis that altcoin season has not started because Bitcoin dominance index is still really high. You guys cannot make this up. We're seeing BTC dominance index still sitting at around 47.39%, really high BTC dominance. And obviously, if Bitcoin were to retrace, that is going to impact altcoins even more, especially when altcoin season hasn't started. So obviously, that's the reason as to why we're seeing the Vechain along with other altcoins going down. So, but now comes the question, what exactly is next? Could we see Vechain hit back down to that 1.94 cents mark, which we saw back on March 10th, or are those days gone? If we put that into perspective, that is still a move of about roughly 13% from the current price levels. And is that a possibility? It definitely is a possibility. If Bitcoin breaks below the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level and retraces back down to 25k mark, that is definitely on the table right now. And now, as soon as I said that, I know some people are thinking, especially the FUDers, they're thinking, oh, this is it, Vechain is just trash, this and that, XYZ, the good old talks that people talk about when Vechain is not moving towards the upside. But I'll still come and say this to you guys. From January 1st, we're still up almost 50% even after having a retracement. If you can't take these kind of corrections, if you are not okay with altcoins having these kind of retracements because of Bitcoin, that means you're lacking the entire market cycle, how this entire structure works, the correlation. You don't understand that. And if you want just straight price movements like this for the price of Vechain, cryptocurrency is not for you. Look elsewhere. I cannot stress this enough. But obviously for the Vechain community, this is for these videos that I make is for the Vechain believers. We ignore the haters, and every project has its own haters. But you guys know, you guys need to keep one thing in mind: patience is needed in crypto. And remember, like I said, altcoin season hasn't even started. We're still sitting at high level of BTC dominance. And remember, when altcoin season does begin, Vechain is going to react to that momentum. A lot of people think it won't, but it definitely will, because we're still up 50% from all-time lows of last year. What does that show? That shows that it's following the momentum. A lot of people are going to be shocked, and just wait till you guys see us break past this level of resistance at that 3.3 cents mark, which I've been talking about months, watch how all of a sudden everyone's going to be covering Vechain. So right now I'm not worried at all. Like I said, there is a possibility if Bitcoin were to go below 61.8, there's definitely a possibility for us to go below 2 cents. But again, if you're a believer, you believe in the long-term vision, and you want to dollar cost average in right now during the accumulation zone is a great time to be doing so, because I really do believe later this year, especially next year 2024, that's where the parabolic cycle really begins. But obviously time is going to tell. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you guys picking up some more Vechain, and what is your strategy right now? Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.